According to the new Voice of Ukraine website on June 16, the first M142 HIMARS launchers donated by the United States will arrive in Ukraine at the end of June this year. The United States has given the green light to deliver 4 M142 HIMARS to Ukrainian armed forces. The American-made M142 HIMARS is an artillery system in the category of multiple launch rocket system, able to fire multiple and precision-guided rockets. Those rockets are capable of hitting a target more than 70 kilometers away. The U.S. Joint Chiefs of Staff General Mark Milley announced that the United States has trained 60 Ukrainian soldiers to operate the M142 HIMARS. At the same time, the U.S. has already trained 420 Ukrainians on M777 howitzers, 300 Ukrainians on M109 self-propelled howitzers, and 129 Ukrainians on M113 armored personnel carriers. The M142 HIMARS is able to fire all MLRS family of munitions rockets and missiles. The HIMARS carries one launch pod, containing either 6 guided MLRS rockets or 1 Army Tactical Missile System missile, at a maximum range of 300 kilometers. The M142 HIMARS is based on a 5-ton family of medium tactical vehicles, with a crew cab at the front and a launcher unit mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. The M142 HIMARS can achieve ranges of 70+ kilometers, attacking the target with low collateral damage, enabling danger close fires within 200 meters, in support of friendly troops in contact, as well as engaging high-valued point targets in open, urban, and complex environments.